Hello everyone, I'm Shaji from STS Research. So a product before launching in the market, so we have some uncertainty questions like whether this product is going to be purchased by our clients, or this particular product exactly have the scope in the market. So these kind of questions will be answered through concept testing. So in this video we are going to explain how concept testing being done by STS Research with real-time examples. So let's discuss one by one. So this is the particular objective of the study. So the client is from US and the partner is from Chennai, and they just want to implement a robotic system instead of manual trolleys. So the manual trolleys, which currently they are using in the warehouses to lift the things from one places to another. So for that replacing that manual trolley, they just want to implement that robotic system. This is the concept. So for that they just want to understand whether this idea valid or not, how many warehouse companies are willing to adapt that robotic system, or what are the pain points they have, or what are the price range we are expecting, kind of thing. This is the motto of the study. So for this study, so we initially get the objective like this and give the proposal. So this is the methodology we are going to follow in STS. So for this study, we just follow 50 warehouse managers in Chennai and 50 warehouse managers in Bangalore, and 5 in-depth interviews. That is the qualitative interviews. We just follow that, and our field team will be trained and taken the field survey in the warehouses and everything. So we successfully taken more than 100 warehouse manufacturing companies and logistics companies and cold storage, like that. So then after collecting data, we will analyze the data like this. So then analyze the data, so we will give the recommendations from that collected data. So from the collected data, like this kind of information we get, this is the pain points we got. Based on the pain points and price range, they will develop the robot. So of course the recommendation part I can't explain fully because it's highly confidential, and some of the things I can explain that in this concept, I think more than 50% accept their idea that we are willing to adapt that robotic system, and the price range just vary from 15,000 to even 5 lakhs also. So averagely we will put some kind of amount. Their market values in crores and crores of rupees. So this is what a concept concept testing works. So initially they give the objective about the study, and we will get the proposal. Then we will get the questionnaire preparation. We will talk with the people, and we will get the final data, and from the final data we will give the recommendation with strategy and everything. So this is what their STS Research are doing, and so this is not only happen in startups companies. This is exactly happen in all sectors, like automobile, manufacturing, startups, and healthcare, and even political sectors, and even a lot of and also we are using for IT sector also. So for their new app launch, they just want to do concept testing. And in fact if you see in front of your room or wherever place you are, so whatever brands you are seeing currently, they definitely do market research before launching. So that's what they just validate the things. So yeah, so we are doing at STS Research, we are doing market research more than 10 years, and if you are willing to do any kind of market research for your product or services, so we are here to help you. So visit www.stsresearch.in, and cheers and thank you.